The police, prosecution, SARS, and Transnet, according to Mbeki, have all experienced a significant deterioration and collapse over the past 15 years. He alleged that U.S. company Baines began preparing former SARS Commissioner Tom Moyen for the position a year before he was nominated to the position. Mbeki claimed that further analysis and investigation were required to determine why South Africa went down after 2008. According to him, SARS had been outperforming since 1994 and then all of a sudden began to underperform. SARS destruction was a conscious choice, he claimed. The democratic revolution was intentionally and consciously intended to be destroyed, he claimed. Mbeki stated that he thought the ANC ought to address the issue. Additionally, he claimed that since the 1997 Mafeking Conference, the ANC has drawn individuals who were using it as a stepping stone to get tenders. He claimed that despite repeated warnings about these individuals at conferences, nothing was done to get rid of them within the organization. He claimed that there was a pervasive culture of factionalism that went against ANC ideals. He claimed that nothing had changed despite the demand for renewal made at the 2018 Nasrec conference and reiterated in the 2022 Nasrec II conference.